welcome back to my channel Learn with Krishan. You know that we have started Microsoft Teams as a online classes, and lot of students are facing the problem. Okay, their password issue. So how to reset the student password, I will show you today. And first of all, I want to say thanks to my principal, Shri Ramchandran sir, who has given this privilege to me to log in account and to demonstrate all of you this thing. So you can see I am already logged in, and this is not a desktop version, this is a web version. Now what you have to do, why I'm talking about web version, because anyhow from desktop version to you have to come to the web version. So now you can see on the main page you have to find out this 9 dots. You have to click on this 9 dots and you have to go to the Microsoft 365. Okay, once you will click on this option, you will be reach on this office.com page. Okay, the main administrative page, you will be reach on this page. Now what you have to do, you can see this side so many options are available. You have to just scroll down, and here you will find an option called as a admin. Just click on the option admin. When you will log in first time, this will ask you all the password and this thing and that thing, but I have already logged in and some of the password already resetted. So now you can see we have reached on Microsoft 365 admin center. You will not get this type of view. You can just click on this option, simplified view, and by default this type of view will be available for all. So I have just changed to dashboard view. Now what to do? So you can see there is an option called as a reset password. Just you have to click on this option. Now a window will open here. Here you can search. So let us see who is having the issue. So we'll go to the, actually I have opened one group where all the student can share their issues. So let us see. Okay, so some of the many students have joined. Okay, so doubt, this person is having doubt. This is Karthik. So let it be open this file. Yes, so this person is getting issue with password. So let us type this KARTH. So I will go back to the same interface, and here I will type it KARTH. Now you can see here so many Karthik are available. So we'll see which one it is, JB or something like that. So it is JB. Okay, you have to verify the name properly, because in some of the classes similar names may available. Okay, so we'll go to the particular person, right, and we will select. After selecting, it will ask you reset password for this person, right? Automatically create a password, or you can set it if you want, but let it be automatically. Automatically means the Microsoft 365 will create the password automatically. Now require this user to change their password when they enter first time. Yes, because we will create a password, so that person has to change his or her password when enter it first time. Now just to click on this button, reset password, and now you can see within a second the person password got resetted. See, password has been reset. You have successfully reset the password of this user. Just to copy the password from here itself, you can copy the password, copy it properly, and go back to the person, right, and reply privately, because this is a password, anybody can log in. So just paste it and give some instruction like don't share with anyone. Okay, any other instruction you want, you can give it. I want to give this instruction, so I have typed this thing. Okay, so now this is the quick way to reset the student password, right? So I hope you have enjoyed this thing. If any doubt is there related to this one, please comment. Thank you everybody.